Meet our first friend, guys. Leave your footsteps, not the garbage. There is a... We are here. Hey. We are going in, guys.
Get set.
Yeah, get set. Hi guys. We have started the trek. This is the beginning. It will be like 7 kilometers from here. So we'll be going in ups and downs. I guess. I'll show you. I'll show you guys everything.
That's exactly what is called as trekking.
Yeah, that's called trekking.
Going upside down in the light.
I'll show you guys everything. It's misty. Still going, guys. Are you not following us? We are the leading ones. I won't say it is difficult, but yeah, kind of.
Because we haven't climbed yet.
Sorry. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna risk my life, so I'll be back. Okay. So we have climbed that steep, okay? I have mispronounced it. It's not Bandaje Falls. It's Bandaje Falls, okay? Yes, it's around 1 kilometer now. Maybe 1 kilometer. So 6 more to go, guys.
Nice climate, guys. Just try.
Yeah. Do visit here. Promoting for free. So yeah, okay, I'll show you the front view. We are going somewhere around there, if I'm not wrong. Let's see.
Kolugumalai sunrise.
Kolugumalai? No. Don't get full, guys. It's actually good. Okay guys, it has now started to drizzle over here. So we have reached some altitude, I guess. Let's see.
The real trek begins now.
Yeah.
Now we are acclimatizing.
We are gonna wear all that covering stuffs.
This is garbage.
He got a weird color. He got a weird color, but we got some good colors through here. Let's get into it. So guys, as you can see, I'm not afraid of this drizzle and all. So everyone is wearing a raincoat and all.
But
I don't need. Okay guys, I was about to fall.
we just wanted to fall alone.
I have already fell harder for a person. I will show that girl, okay? Fine. Now we are going into some dense forest. So there is fully plants or trees, whatever it is covering us completely. And the sun rays are not able to trespass these. Let's see. So one miss and you will go directly to the downfall.
One mistake.
Yeah. Meet our first friend, guys. Don't touch it. Don't touch it, guys. Or else it sucks. I hope you understand. Yeah. Keep a sanitizer spray or something handy so that it won't attack you. Okay? Great.
Life and limb have something in common.
What is that? They both suck. Okay, that was good. Take that advice, guys. Yeah, that's one good thing, guys. Whenever you are traveling, if you are seeing any plastic kind of stuff, do take it. It will be something. Yeah, be responsible. It will be something from us to the nature. Okay, follow that. Leave your footsteps, not the garbage. Guys, there are some thousands of leeches here. Lakhs of leeches. Am I right? But luckily, they are allergic to me. I mean, no. I am allergic to them. I'm allergic to them, okay? Actually a river, guys. But we are not gonna drink that water. We are gonna climb up.
Okay, bro.
Okay, there is another way also, which we are not taking, okay? Yeah.
Where there is a will?
There is a way. This is the second top or something. There's a lot of light over here.
This is the Kanchenjunga of Bandaje Falls.
Oh, okay.
This is the first point we reached successfully.
Yeah. So
The journey
still
continues.
not even the halfway mark we have crossed. Guys, it started raining heavily and now we are here. Hey. Ah, okay. Everyone is here. So guys, this view will be actually breathtaking, but it is currently fully covered with mist, as you can see. But hopefully when we reach more altitude, we will get a clear view, okay?
Let's now take the 2 kilometers.
Yeah, it's been just 2 kilometers. This, you can see the mist hitting back at us. It's really nice. You can see it. Yeah. Oh. It's nice. Actually covered in mist, guys. We are on the clouds.
Peace, bro.
So it's really chill out here, guys. You must visit here. Do visit.
Call me.
Yeah, call me in case of any.
Call me. I'm always don't come with me. It will be dangerous for you.
Okay. Still go on. Still going. Keep on going, guys.
You're going with the flow, guys.
Go with the flow, guys. Preserving the charge. So now the drizzle has come to a halt. So now it is not drizzling, but it is so chill out here. So guys, this is very essential for for a trek, okay? It gives you all the essential things which you need for your body. So have it. So make sure to pack some protein bars or even any kind of sweet chocolates. Yeah, but we left it at our stay itself. Have it 2 or 3 a day. We have a whole pack of dates, guys. We are never gonna run out of it. And we'll be sharing it with everyone. Come on, have some dates. Hey. Google. Pause it.
Say something, bro.
Yeah.
What?
Dates. Take it. Come on.
Thank you.
Yeah.
This is all we have.
Thank you.
Burden.
Someone is leading from the front.
Me.
Subscribe.
Like, share and subscribe this channel.
Like, share, and
Support, guys.
subscribe.
Support. Tell it to my friends also. Yeah.